Come on, girl. Just getting them used to being outside. They do pretty dang good so far. I don't have four-wheelers running around them, but I did yesterday. But they do all right outside. Most of them aren't too skittish. Now that little brown one, she seems perfectly fine right now. Get the dip out. All right. But that little brown one, she seems perfectly fine right now. She's probably gonna be the best worker, I think, as far as like everything goes, athletic ability, endurance, all that. And you wonder, well, why didn't you keep her? Well, look, I just have my own ideas and what I want out of a program, and I have a dog already that's gonna bring what she would bring, Stomper. She's probably gonna be more like Stomper, you know. And but they all have good everything to me so far. Now there's obviously the test later on. If you're using these dogs for hunting or something like that, then it's going to be up to you how you bring them up. But outside of that, as you can see, it don't matter how far we go, they don't tend to get any kind of fear, stuff like that. Now once you get one and they're alone, you're probably going to have a little bit of fear. Like, see, he didn't necessarily want to go all the way out there. Come on, girl. I don't want her in that field either, because she's not on any kind of flea or tick right now. Y'all got y'all a good little lap exercise in. That black one looks fat, but watch what I do with him as an adult. I think he's going to be good looking, but we'll see. Hey, get off of there. No. But they'll eat you up. No. Him, he's gonna be something. Whoever gets, I think Puppy Pants wants him, but yeah, he's gonna be a good one right there. Him, that black male, they could definitely probably be protection dogs too. Guard dogs, whatever. That's not my field, but I'm saying that they could. Man, come on now. Let's not get them fleas. Come on, girl. Look, they already found where some rooting happened. No. Come on, there's something there. Come on, look at that damn wonder side. He's a good boy. Yeah, you coming with me? Let's go. She's gonna wear him out. Come on, girl. Girl, come on now. Boy, they trucking along. That's a long trek for them, but they still want to keep running. I like that. I like they ain't gave up yet. Come on, girl, before they do give up. Let them go to sleep. And it's not bad for them to get out here like this. I'd let them do what they want, run, do that. It's not like we're working them. It's no different than if they had to traverse over terrain to go to a new den site or something like that. It, you know, has to happen. And that usually builds a tougher dog, so in my opinion.